As of December 2025, Tesla Model 3s don't natively support Apple CarPlay. Tesla prefers its own infotainment system. But don't worry, there are workarounds. This video covers how to integrate CarPlay features using these methods, letting you access navigation, music, and calls. Note that these methods aren't official and might have limitations, including potential warranty implications. Native CarPlay provides seamless mirroring of iPhone apps directly to a car's display, allowing users to access navigation, music, and calls through the vehicle's interface without compatibility issues. Tesla vehicles use their own proprietary infotainment system and API, which is not compatible with Apple's CarPlay protocol. This means direct integration is not supported by design. Workarounds bridge this compatibility gap using hardware devices like USB-C adapters or dongles that emulate a compatible interface, combined with wireless protocols such as Bluetooth for audio streaming and Wi-Fi for data transfer. The most common workaround for enabling CarPlay on Tesla Model 3 involves using CarPlay dongles, such as CarLinkit or AA Wireless. These small adapters connect your iPhone directly to the Tesla's USB port, translating the CarPlay interface to display on the vehicle's screen. Some users explore software-based methods, which typically involve leveraging the Tesla's built-in browser or side-loaded apps to access iPhone features. These approaches often require custom scripts or third-party tools to bridge the gap between Apple and Tesla's systems. However, Tesla actively patches these software exploits through over-the-air updates, making them less reliable over time. Dongles remain the more stable option, despite requiring physical hardware. First, purchase a compatible CarPlay dongle, such as AA Wireless, from a reputable retailer. These devices typically cost between $50 and $100 and are available online or at electronics stores. Next, plug the dongle into your Tesla's USB port. Locate the USB-C port in the center console or storage area of your Model 3. The dongle will draw power and establish a connection through this port. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, turn on Bluetooth, and ensure your device is discoverable. Also enable Wi-Fi to allow data transfer during setup. Pair your iPhone with the dongle via Bluetooth. The dongle will appear in your Bluetooth settings as a new device. Select it and follow the pairing prompts to establish a secure connection. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions on your Tesla's display to complete the setup. This may involve granting permissions for CarPlay and configuring audio settings for calls and music. Note that steps may vary slightly based on your dongle model. Workarounds for CarPlay on Tesla Model 3 aren't perfect. Common issues include connectivity failures where the connection drops unexpectedly, audio glitches causing distorted sound or interruptions, and incompatibility with Tesla's over-the-air updates that can disable the workaround entirely. If something goes wrong, first try restarting your Tesla's infotainment system by accessing the Safety and Security menu and powering it off briefly. Alternatively, repair your iPhone with the dongle through Bluetooth settings to refresh the connection. Keep in mind that Tesla actively blocks these workarounds through software updates, so what works today might not work after the next over-the-air update. Always check Tesla's release notes for compatibility changes. When using workarounds for CarPlay on your Tesla, it's crucial to understand the legal implications. These methods often involve unauthorized modifications that can void your vehicle's warranty. Tesla actively monitors for such changes and may detect them during service visits. Safety should always come first. Workarounds can create distractions while driving, so avoid interacting with the CarPlay interface excessively. Keep your focus on the road and let Tesla's built-in safety features handle navigation and controls. Remember that Tesla's advanced sensor system and autopilot depend on proper system integration. Unauthorized modifications could interfere with these safety features, potentially compromising vehicle performance. The future of CarPlay on Tesla is uncertain. Regulatory pressure, especially in the EU, might force Tesla to adopt native CarPlay. Trends suggest more standardized integrations are coming. Tesla's V13 update in 2026 might include more native app support, reducing the need for workarounds. But full CarPlay integration remains unlikely without external pressure. Tesla Model 3 does not have native Apple CarPlay support. Workarounds offer temporary solutions for phone integration. These workarounds can enable features like navigation and music through third-party hardware or software. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Consider the potential risks and limitations, such as voiding your warranty, legal implications, and safety concerns. Keep an eye on future Tesla software updates, which may improve integration options. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching.